In this video, I want you to meet our autopilot function. Obviously, it's our goal to maximize performance impact, but also to maximize automation impact. So that it almost feels like for you that you just handed off your meta ads to a fully trained professional who never makes mistakes, who's up 24/7 and operates the ad account for you. That's the experience we want to provide. The semi autopilot mode, which is the default mode, provides that to an extent, but you can further automate it, and I'll show you how. So semi autopilot mode means you, in the AI actions product, you go into AI actions and you have to hit generate. You wake up in the morning, get a coffee, right? You hit on generate, and then it starts a loading animation. It starts all the computing, right? And then it generates the AI actions for that day. You might have to wait 5, 10, if it's a large account, maybe 15 minutes, and then you get those AI actions served, and you can go through them and one by one hit apply on the ones you like, or edit the ones you want to edit before, and then apply. Or if there are some that you don't like at all, you can delete them, obviously, and then go into custom preferences and explain why you didn't like it, so these kinds of actions won't be served again, if necessary, right? And so then that's sort of you working with the tool actively. Our goal is that relatively quickly you get to a point where you just notice, actually I just hit generate and every day I just apply every action, right? So it's a kind of, I almost feel useless, and it's getting kind of boring, right? That's the experience we aim for with everybody. And then you can consider clicking the three dotted menu right here and enabling autopilot. I'll try this now, actually, because yeah, there you go. Because this is a test account, so I was now not sure if it can do it. But anyway, so on this test account, this is exactly what it would look like for you as well, just without this notification here on the top, so ignore that. And you see here, the implementation is scheduled for midnight. So the way this works is that every day at 3 a.m., ad account time zone, so this is Central European time zone, this ad account, so at 3 a.m. in that time zone, it'll run the audit, it'll generate the actions for the day, and then you have the day time to review those actions if you want to, edit them if you want to, delete them if you want to, and then at midnight they will automatically be applied into your account. So if you don't log in for a couple of days on end, you can be rest assured that AdAmigo just runs the ad account for you. This sounds crazy, and I get this question a lot on calls, like, really, Chris, like, will this really work, right? And my answer is yes. So we have about 40%, not quite, but about 40% of our active customers are in autopilot mode. And so it just runs autonomously behind the curtains. And then whenever they have some ideas on their own, hey, I have 5 new videos I want to launch. I want to try this new campaign. I want to expand into the German market. They fire up the chat agent or the workflows, which we're about to launch today. So in some of the later videos, you'll see the workflows already to get that done. So one is sort of autonomous, always optimizing. And then in the chat agent and workflows, you get your own tasks done on top of what's already happening. And that's it. Then you're pretty much done. There's nothing else to do for maximizing meta ads performance other than just launching new ad creatives every now and then. That's pretty much it. And that's the reality we've created. And AI agents make that happen. And that's the value we provide. So yeah, can't wait for you to give it a try. And of course, if you have any follow-up questions, write a comment or hit us up on the help chat. Thank you so much.